How to add email to Lensa account. Want to make sure all your amazing Lensa creation are safe and secure. Adding an email to your account is the best way to do it. It helps you to keep your artwork and you store your purchases if you get a new one. Let's walk through it together. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. And once you're inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the setting icon, which is right over here. Tap on it. And under this setting, you will see your existing email address. However, as other apps which will give you an option to add a secondary mail or the email cannot do so in case of Lensa. So what you have to do in order to add an email to your Lensa is you have to create another different account with a different Gmail. So clearly, you cannot just add a new email to the Lensa app. I hope it is clear for you. And if you really want to create or if you really want to add or associate another email or the new email to Lensa, what you can do is simply tap on your email address just under the profile, tap on it, and there you can see an option called sign out. Simply tap on it. And after you have successfully signed out, you will be seeing an option called sign in or create an account. Simply tap on it and tap on continue with the Google just like this and continue with the email address that you want to add to the Lensa. I hope I made this clear to you. And that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.